Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to select A4 size in PowerPoint. So if you also want to select A4 size in PowerPoint, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open PowerPoint. For that, what you can do is click on the search icon that you can see on the taskbar. Now here you'll be able to see the search icon. Simply click on it. Now type in PowerPoint. Now here you'll be able to find the application for PowerPoint. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for open. All you have to do is click on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here PowerPoint will be opened. Here you'll be able to see your recent works. Simply click on the document that you want to open. I'm just going to open blank presentation. Now that particular document will be opened. So if you want to select the A4 size, it is very simple. At top, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review and view. All you have to do is click on the design option that you can see right over here. Now design tab will be opened. Here you'll be able to find several themes. Right over here you'll be able to find two options, slide size, format background. Simply click on the option slide size. Now you'll be able to see the slide size over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for custom slide size. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, this kind of windows will open. You can see several options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for slide size for. Right now, white screen is selected. Click on the drop down icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to find several sizes. You can see several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for A4 paper, click on it. After selecting A4 paper, what you have to do is click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of window will open. Read this information very carefully. You can see two options over here, maximize and ensure fit. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here A4 size will be selected. So that is how you select A4 size in PowerPoint. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.